chef hit, guys. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef guys. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dicing with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in the kitchen. We have some party wings, chicken gizzards, and hearts. We're about to go ahead and give them a nice boil on the stove. And go hit them bad boys with some good homemade gravy. I already have my prep going. I have my red onion chopped up, little green hot pepper, spring onion, green onions. I have all my seasoning right here. A tablespoon of basil, tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of Dash seasoning, tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and a teaspoon of rosemary. I also have my all-purpose flour. That's how we're going to do that gravy right there, the all-purpose flour. So we're going to mix that with some water. So let me go ahead and start boiling this water, and we're going to go ahead and throw everything in there together. Make it happen. Okay, so we have the water going. I'm going to add a little bit of this lemon juice. Some salt. Tablespoon of salt. And we're going to add just a little bit of onions. So the rest of the onions is going for the saute and the flavor. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put a top on this bad boy. Let it boil. I say let it boil for like 20-25 minutes until tender. You know, we're gonna stick our fork in there, see if that fork go right through it, and that means it's done. So give it put your timer on 25 minutes or 20 minutes, however you want to do it. I'm gonna give it 25 minutes. I'm gonna put this timer on right now, and we'll make it happen right here in this good kitchen. Okay, so here we go right here, 25 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it real good. Drain this water, rinse all that fat that's on top, all that yucky stuff that's on top. Then we're gonna start a nice saute. Okay, so we have a little bit of butter in here. I'll let this butter melt. Add our chicken bouillon. And green onions. pepper, a little green pepper, a little heat to it. Alright, so I have some basil paste, about a tablespoon. Okay, we got our chicken, gizzard hearts in there, chicken hearts. I say gizzard hearts. We got our chicken gizzards and hearts in there. Mix that in. And now all my seasoning. Go ahead and add our seasoning, herbs in there. Mix that. Tomato sauce. Mix all that in. I'm gonna let this go ahead and sizzle for a good 5 minutes. We'll get our gravy nice and right. Okay, here go 5 minutes or so. It looks good just like that. So I have 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of water. So what I've been doing is over here mixing up this water with our all-purpose flour. Give it a good mix like that there. Pour it in there. We don't need the whole thing. We'll eyeball it. Go ahead and use the whole thing now. Boom. So I eyeball it. 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour and 1 cup of water. And we put our gravy together. I'm gonna add no seasoning to the flour, so we're gonna season the gravy as we go. We'll we're gonna wait until that gravy come together, and then we're gonna taste it and see if we need to add any more seasoning. So we're gonna let that simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so here we go right here. I got our gravy right there. Okay. That's gravy. You can make it a little thicker if you want. Add a little more water, a little flour, but I'm not gonna add nothing. I'm gonna leave it just like this. Taste it. That's it right there. I don't have to add nothing else. Nothing at all. We have our seasoning, our herb right here. Now I'm about to put this food on the plate. We're gonna make it happen. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, if you like what I just cooked, hit that like button, that thumbs up. Appreciate you. Okay, so here we go. We got that sticky rice, extra sticky. Look at that gravy. Chicken gizzards and hearts. Party wings. When I say this is fire, this is fire. For real. Your boy done made it happen again in his good kitchen. Did my thing. Everything is nice and tender, seasoned to the T. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice. Don't knock until you try it.